we have this idea of updates or posts. So when we're looking at the different, there's almost like a point system, right? I call it weighted, but it's like a point system. Uploading photos, you get a certain amount of points. Nobody knows how many, but it's a pretty high amount of points. Reviews, you're getting a high amount of points, especially as you drip feed them, like I was talking about. Posts, you also get a high number of points, or you're creating a signal for Google, and you're signaling to Google, hey, this is an active business. I care about how I'm showing up. So we'll look at your old posts, right? November 23rd, 2020. I don't have to tell you, it's been a while. But
Right.
with your posts, you have to understand, if you're trying to get yourself up over other real estate agents, the thing that you have, and kind of this differentiating factor, this strategic advantage, is that you're talking to me and I can tell you straight away, this is powerful and this is going to get you higher. If you do these three things, you will definitely show up higher. You need to be creating a post at least once a week.
Okay.
So let's say that you were talking about how you upload stuff to Facebook. I'm going to be
Hmm.
totally honest with you. Facebook is a necessary evil. We've all been trained to use it, and it has, the user base of a giant country. It's huge. But Facebook also is not where you're going to get tons of clients. It's where people are going to search. It's the number 3 search engine behind Google and YouTube. So people are going to Facebook, and you need to have an active profile, especially as a real estate agent.
Right.
But they're also going to go on Google when they're moving to the area and look for real estate agent or best real estate agent in Jacksonville Beach. By creating posts, again, you're signaling to Google that you are an active real estate agent. So you've got to make it a priority when you're going to go on and put it on Facebook, which, again, we're all trained. It's easy. You open the app. Now I want you to get into the habit of going to Google My Business and using the app to upload a post as well. So at
Okay.
least one post a week, at least one post a week. Now you put up the video, and I know you made that video. It probably took time to edit, cut, put it together, polish it, because it was a nice video. And probably after that, you're like, okay, I'm done. We've got to be putting up like a just listed, just sold, open house. You can use those as posts easily. You can link. The cool thing is, and we don't have it on here, but if we create a post, we can actually link to your MLS listing or to the listing on your website, so that then you're getting people coming to your site. And then if they click around enough, I'm sure you have it where they have to put in their lead information to view more listings, right? We
Hmm.
want to get them to your site. So
Okay.
every single post, to give you an idea, if I can type my own business name, right? If we scroll down, these are my posts 7 days ago, 5 days ago. Notice how on each one there's a link right there. Learn more, sign up.
Hmm.
On every single post, you put a photo or a video. You write at least 2 to 3 sentences. We write a little bit more. And then you include a link. You can include a button and a call to action. In this case, learn more. It's going to bring you right to a digital resources page that we've created for all these different things for small business owners, right? So every time you're creating a post, now you have the opportunity to link to a specific listing or to your homepage so that people can click around.
Okay.
When you go, let's say that you're going to someone that you're going to a prospective seller. So you have maybe you have a pre-listing packet or a pre-listing presentation. Hey, here are all the things I can do. As a real estate agent, now you can say, hey, I make sure I put up a post and it shows up right on Google. So it will link right to your listing so that people that are looking to buy, they have a chance to see it right in my Google business profile. A lot of
Okay.
sellers will be like, oh, wow, you're getting it right on Google. Yep. And think about it. When someone's looking at a listing, they're going to find Zillow first, because Zillow's a beast and it shows up, right? They're going to find realtor.com, all
Right.
of those. So it's not going to necessarily go to you. Now, by using a post and having it show up right here, now you're putting that listing right here. When people are looking up good real estate agent and they're finding you, you're linking right to your listing.